guys, come back with me Aida, and this is my YouTube channel again. Yeah, always watch my video blog and follow my activity to uh, at campus. This is afternoon. Here we just finished for lunch together with noodles. We eat noodles together here, and this is me. Uh, Finish for prayer subuh. Yeah, after lunch we prayer subuh together again at Sakra Village, and we just need to rest some minutes, and then we going to campus again for this little this one subject again, only one again, and after that we wanna go to we wanna come back home again after this class. This is last class for afternoon. Yeah, we so really happy because I just eat spicy noodle here, but my friend is not choose spicy noodle because she is not ready for spicy food for today. Just only me to buy spicy food. Guys, but when we have a class and at afternoon, it's more bored because yeah, you know, we feel like sleepy, tired because our energy is low when afternoon. It's not like a morning, make me feel like so really have like excited, still excited in the morning. And when we going class afternoon, we have so little energy. That's why we need to like sleep for some minute again for making my energy or our energies come back again, and then we ready to uh, have class, join class. I mean join class. Sorry guys, I don't have a tripod for this my video, so I just wearing my use my hand here. Whoa, my money still 5,000. I wanna buy something. Maybe when I come back home. Yes. Let's listen me to speak random again. Actually, I don't know how to say again because I don't have topic. Yeah, every day I say I don't have topic, but I try to speak clearly in this my camera here. Look at this. My hand, my finger here. It's so slay, slay. Look at my nail. Dimple? I have dimple. I just look sky so blue and some float. Sorry, this is so really noise because it's near with a root in the root. That's why more like you can hear motorcycle. It's more motorcycle here in this mosque. Okay. Oh God, I'm really obsessed to my hands. Yes. What is make me obsessed about myself? Yeah, I wanna talk about this. Yeah. The first one is my nose. Yeah, I don't know. Uh, I'm really obsessed with my nose here because yeah, it looks so good, so good, and I'm enough for this. And number two, I'm so obsessed with my eyes. Yes, because I have a sleepy eyes. That is not only sleep. I have a sleepy eyes. Like I feel, I'm so uh she she say uh when I like uh look at by them, and my eyes is like so very sleepy, but I'm not sleeping. It's like this uh like sleepy eyes type. You know Billie Eilish, yeah. She have a sleepy eyes, so beautiful. And I'm fan of Billie Eilish here. A big fan for Billie Eilish, and I'm a big fan for her song. The number three, yes, I'm really like my skin. My skin. Yeah, I think it's not. I mean, my type is cool, cool skin. Because everyone sometimes says I look like sick, but I'm not sick. It's very cool tone skin. That's why they really say like you look so weak and like sick, but I'm not sick. Just explain for them I'm not sick and I'm happy like you are. My teacher was saying that when I uh, follow his to walking sometimes, and then um yeah, number four, I'm really obsessed with my lips. My type is yeah, the type is lip, but it's not more to like this type because I have a dream of my lips. It's not like this. Maybe I don't want like this when I have when I can choose lips for myself. No guys, it's so crazy topic, right? Number five, I really like my body. body like have a little like mask when I open my clothes sometimes at my house, and I have a long black here and slave finger. So when I use jeans, feel like more make me feel so really wow. I feel like comfortable to see my look like outfit. Yeah, sometimes I just want more to collection more about jeans. That's my type like is long. So I am really like to have so many jeans. And number six, I'm obsessed with my leg. Yeah, leg. It's so beautiful skin. Yeah, sometimes my friend present my legs is more beautiful, beautiful skin. Yeah, yes, more beautiful, making progress. And yeah, type of this skin, I'm really don't expect have this because my father genetic, but my mom genetic don't have like this skin. I'm more sleepy. Oh my gosh! Look at this. I have a chicken skin. I'm really wanted this for God. You know, Retino? Maybe I'm really needed for making this skin is gone because have chicken skin is really look like weird and dirty. I feel like yeah, make me like soaking to see. Try more one make this gone. Do wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so sleepy to yapping here in my block. There's a lot to yapping, guys. It's a lot. It's really a lot. Maybe I just want to eating this time is over because I'm more speaking for today. I just want to say, guys, always support my video. You have one to watch. If you don't want to watch, just skip because this is just for learn. Yeah, learn English. Okay. Bye bye.